Don't you just love the smell of lavender? It's relaxing, it's calming, it's spa-like. And today, I'm going to show you how you can have that spa-like feel in your own room, because we're going to make linen spray using lavender. It's natural, it's safe, it's easy, and it's wonderful. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a container that we can put a lid on and shake. So anything you have, a little jar, whatever you want to use is fine. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of either Witch Hazel, which you can buy at the drugstore, or Vodka. Whatever you want to use is fine. And the reason we use that is it helps the spray dry quickly so it doesn't spot. So we're going to put it in this container just like that. To that, I'm going to add about 10 drops of Lavender Essential Oil. Now, if you want a stronger smell, use more. If you want a little less, use less. So here we go. Then I'm going to put the lid on this, and you want to combine that. So we're going to just give it a shake. And then to that, I'm going to add about 2 ounces of water. So it's going to be about half of this. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it into a container. Now, I like these little blue bottles that you can buy. Any sprayer you have is fine. If you want to repurpose one, make sure you rinse it out well first. And I'm going to pour it into the bottle. Now, before we use this spray, we'll always shake it up. There we go. Now we're going to put the lid back on it. So we're going to give it a good shake to combine. And then I love to do my pillowcase because it sort of lulls me into sleep. And like the fold over part of your sheet is nice, and you're just going to give it a mist like that. And give it time just to dry quickly. It smells, I wish you could smell it. It smells so nice. I could leave the laundry room and take a nap right now. It's fantastic. One warning is lavender can be toxic to cats. So if you have a cat at home, be careful. If you're having guests, make sure they don't have allergies before you spray it on everything. So there you go, linen spray. Quick, easy, inexpensive. Oh, and wonderful. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.